Thank you for joining us again today for another short video in our series of quick Q&A. Cole Sanchez emailed our support team the following. I recently purchased a smart TV and am being told by some people that I should use an Ethernet cable to use the smart TV's functions, and others are suggesting I should go with the Wi-Fi in my home. What do you suggest? There are benefits to both options, and it really just comes down to a personal preference. In my home, any device that does not move around, the TVs and desktop computer, I use an Ethernet cable for connection. I use Wi-Fi for handheld devices such as cell phones, tablets, laptops, and devices that we take with us when we leave the house. Using an Ethernet cable reduces latency and buffering issues. It limits connectivity issues. Each port on a router is providing full bandwidth. Wi-Fi connectivity is sharing a limited resource with all the other devices using the Wi-Fi, and there can also be limitations to Wi-Fi signal strength. Using a cable is just a simple plug-and-play option. There are no passwords to remember and change. And remember, we should all be changing passwords from time to time. CableWholesale.com carries various lengths and colors of Ethernet cables, should you decide to go that direction. Thanks again for the question, Cole. We'll be sending you a coupon code. If you have any questions you'd like answered, remember you can leave a question in the comment section below. You can email us or connect with us on our various social media platforms. Thanks for joining me again. Have a great day.